Welcome back, and in my world, I found something weird. I found this little house, and I'm guessing it's this noob that I was playing with this morning. So, what I did was right underneath this house, set TNT everywhere, and this guy, oh my god, he's like the biggest noob ever. Look at this little house. I wasn't even this bad, I was new. My house was made out of dirt, his house was made out of wood, so good enough. And I decided to blow it up. What do you think? Should I? Should I not? No? 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 Maybe? Oh well, I feel blowing it up, so I'm about to blow this up. Feel that, bro? Bad luck. Suck you. My god, that was even that much TNT. Jesus. Jesus Christ. Bye, see you later.